An industry leader is selling one of its business units. Why Coherent is parting with its Aerospace and Defense division. One of Europe's integrated photonics design leaders has just been bought out. How Semitronix's latest addition could boost the Chinese parent company's portfolio. And a newly built device captures particle in motion 3 times faster than a speeding bullet. How this system will be used to research coatings and materials. These stories and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Thorlabs, pioneering photonics technologies to accelerate research and development. Visit thorlabs.com to learn more. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Coherent announces plans to sell its aerospace and defense business for $400 million. The company plans to use that money to reduce debt and boost share earnings. CEO Jim Anderson says the decision is part of a strategic plan to redirect focus to its more profitable markets. Private equity investor Advent will take over the aerospace and defense business and plans to invest significantly in R&D efforts. Belgian PIC design software developer Luceda has been acquired by China's Semitronix group. Under the acquisition, Luceda gains the capital needed to ramp up scale, accelerating its goal of enabling first-time right photonic chip designs. For Semitronix, the deal allows them to offer complete integrated photonic solutions, pairing its own electronic systems with Luceda's photonic integrated circuits. Luceda will continue to run independently with its operations staying in Belgium. Scantinel Photonics, a developer of frequency-modulated continuous wave LiDAR, has filed for insolvency. Now, company operations will continue as Scantinel seeks a backing investor. Slowdowns in the European automotive industry and delays in autonomous driving projects have, at least for now, stunted Scantinel's plans for growth. The LiDAR developer had previously earned investments from groups like Photon Delta and Zeiss Ventures. And earlier this year, Scantinel received a Prism Award for its narrow line-width hybrid integrated laser. Evident, a leading manufacturer of digital pathology solutions, has agreed to acquire health tech company Pramana. Evident will leverage the deal to pair Pramana's autonomous whole slide imaging tech with its own clinical microscopy and optics systems to advance digital pathology. Details on financial terms and a timeline for completion of the sale have not yet been released. In Dublin, a new machine will allow researchers to see what happens when tiny particles impact a given surface at high speeds. This laser ablation particle acceleration and observation machine was built by members of Trinity College Dublin's Science and Technology and Advanced Manufacturing. This machine uses a laser to file particles from 10 to 60 micrometers in size at speeds of up to 1 kilometer a second. Then, a camera snapping billions of pictures per second captures how those particles hit a surface. This information is helpful for engineers to better understand the uses of materials and coatings. And a super resolution imaging technique is enabling a full range of biological mechanism imaging. Developed by a team at Queen Mary University of London, this method combines fluorescence recovery after photobleaching with lattice-structured illumination microscopy to visualize live dynamic cellular structures while reducing the risk of damaging the cells. Researchers believe this system, when fully developed, will enable scientists to overcome the limitations to examining photosensitive subcellular structures. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in the industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.